Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are having a good quarantine time with your families. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. In this video, I will tell you that how can we read, write and represent 5-digit numbers in the place value chart. Place value of 5-digit numbers. Place value of 5-digit numbers. You will also learn expanded form, standard form and word form of 5-digit numbers. Okay student, this is a place value chart. This is a place value chart. O stands for 1, T stands for tens, H stands for 100, TH stands for 1000 and T.TH stands for 10,000. This is a new thing which you are going to learn today. This is a new thing. 10,000. Okay. This is your workbook, math workbook for grade 3. Open your workbook. Page number 13. This is page number 13. Worksheet number 3F. Okay students, before starting the worksheet, I want to tell you that when we write numbers using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, their position is very important. The position of a digit affects its number. The position of a digit affects its value in a number. For example, the 3 in 36,495 has a different value than the 3 in the number 91,632, because in this number the 3 is coming under the 10,000 place value and here 3 is coming under the place value chart of tens. So here the position of 3 is tens and here the position of 3 is 10,000. Okay, now coming to the question, fill these 5-digit numbers in the place value table. Also label each digit. First part. The first part is 65,798. This is a place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay students, while writing the number under the place value chart, always start writing the number from your right hand side. First write the number that is on your extreme right. It is 8. Write it under 1. Then is 9. Write it under tens. Then is 7. Write it under 100. Then is 5. Write it under 1000 and last is 6. Write it under 10,000. It means 65,798. You see there is a comma between 5 and 7. Why there is a comma between 5 and 7? Comma are used to separate each group of 3 digits, which is called a period. Commas are used to separate each group of 3 digits, which is called a period. Commas are omitted in a 4-digit number, but they are must used in a 5-digit number. So we put a comma between 5 and 7, which is separating the 1000 group and the 100, tens and ones group. This is the second part. 76,987. This is how you will going to represent it in the place value chart of 76,987. This is the third part. 34,765. This is the fourth part. 98,354. This is how you will going to do the exercise. Worksheet number 3F, page number 13 on your workbooks. Have a look. Question number 2. Label each digit starting from 0 once, then color each value according to key given. Have a look. I hope you all understand this place value chart and representation of 5-digit number in the place value chart. Okay student, now coming to worksheet number 3G, page number 14. The topic is expanded form. To expand means to break. To expand means to break. We expand a number to show the value of each digit. The expanded form of number is used to show the place value of each digit. The method of writing expanded form is write each digit, then as many zeros on the right side as the digits are on the right side in the given number. For example, this is a number 62,358. 62,358. First of all, the first digit is 6. Then count the zeros on your right side. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. There are 4 digits. So you will put 4 zeros with 6. It is 60,000 now. Plus the next digit is 2. Next digit is 2. Now count the digits. 1, 2, 3. You will put 3 zeros with 2. It becomes 2,000. Plus next digit is 3. Count the digits after 3. 1, 2. So put 2 zeros with 3. It will become 300. Plus next digit is 5. How many digits are after 5? There is only one digit, 8. 1. So put 1 zero with 5. It will become 50. Plus last digit is 8. So there is nothing after 8. So 8 will come as it is. This is the expanded form of 62,358. 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 3,000 plus 50 plus 8. Now coming to the exercise of page number 14, write these numbers in expanded form. The number is 23,678. Now first of all, you will write the first number. Which is the first number? 2 is the first digit. 2. Then how many digits are there after 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write 4 zeros. Plus the next digit is 3. How many zeros will come? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits after 3. So 3 zeros will come. 1, 2, 3. It will become 3,000. Plus next digit is 6. How many zeros will come? 1, 2. 2 zeros will come. It will become 600. Plus next digit is 7. How many digits are left after 7? 1. So 1 zero will come. It will become 70. Plus last digit is 8. There is no digit after 0, so 8 will come as it is. Now the expanded form of 23,678 is 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Now have a look of all the parts of this question, expanded form of all these numbers. I hope you all understand the expanded form of 5-digit numbers. Now coming to worksheet number 3I, page number 16. Topic is standard form. Now what is standard form? When a number is written in this form, that is using digits and period, it is said to be in standard form. When a number is written in this form, that is using digits and periods, it is said to be in standard form. Numbers can be expressed in many ways, but standard form is usually the easiest and the shortest way. Now coming to worksheet number 3I, page number 16. Question is, write each number in standard form, then solve the riddle by matching the letters. This is a place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now first question is 6010. This is the representation of number in words, 6010. Now you have to represent this number in standard form. 6010 is the standard form of 6010. Why 6 is under 1000? Because it is written 6000. So 6 will come under 1000 place value. 6010. Next is 6001. 6001. 6001 is the standard form of 6001. Third part is 16,001. Now it's 16,000. So it will start from the 10,000 place value chart. 10,000 place value. 16001. You see there is a comma between 6 and 0 because a comma is used to separate each group of 3 digits. So 1000 group is separating the 100, tens and ones digit. Now have a look of this exercise. I hope you will understand how you will going to represent 5-digit and 4-digit number in standard form. Now coming to worksheet number 3J, reading, writing 5-digit number. Write the value of each digit, put commas, then read and write these 5-digit numbers in word. Value of each digit means you have to write the place value chart over the digits. You have to write the place value chart over the digit. Next is put commas. You have to put commas because a comma is used to separate each group of 3 digits. Then read, then you have to read the number, how you will going to read that number, and then you have to write that number in words. Now, first part is 98,236. You will write ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. This is the place value of each digit. Now, you will put a comma between 8 and 2. Then, how you will going to read that number? It will be read like this, 98,236. Now, how you will going to write that number in words? NINE 9, TYT 90, EIGHT 8, THOUSAND 1000, 98,000, TWO2 HUND RED red 200 AND and THIRTY 30 SIX 6 36, 98,236. This is how you're going to do the rest of the question. Please have a look of rest of the questions. I hope you all can understand the place value of 5-digit numbers, the expanded form, the standard form, and the word form of 5-digit number. I hope you all understand. I'm sure you can do these sums individually. If you want any help, you can take your help and guidance from your parents, and you can take help from this video as well. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home.